Here's a question that a lot of us teachers have at the beginning of the session and towards the end of the session, which is how do I weight my grades in Canvas? So this is going to be a Canvas quick tip, specifically for weighting grades. So let's look at our specific grade distribution for the core classes. It's kind of very easy for us as teachers to, I think, manage. They're all even numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, so thank you administrators for that. So how do we weight our grades? Before we even weight our grades, we need to establish assignment groups. If we go back, these are assignment groups. Assignment groups are homework and participation, assignments, assessments, and final exams. So what we need to do is to click on assignments, first of all, in our menu, and then click on add group. And as you can see, I've already added assessments, homework, and participation, and assignments. So what does that look like? So when I go to add a group, it will ask me to name the group, and so the last group that I have yet to define would be the final exams. So I type that in. Don't forget to press save. And then what you will see are all of your assignment groups. So we have 4 of them here, and it says that no assignments yet. Primarily, this is an example of a shell that I hadn't developed yet. Here we go with adding the assignment weight specifically. So we have this assignment group listing. Then we're going to go into, we're going to click on the 3 small dots on the side as we are in our assignments. Here again, we have group, add group, add assignment, and then the 3 small dots. It's very elusive, inconspicuous, if you will. So when we click on those 3 dots, we will see assignment groups weight, and this is the trick. This is the secret sauce right here. So when we click on assignment groups weight, what we see is a small window. This is assignment groups weight final grade based on assignment groups. Yes, we want all of these assignment groups to be go synthetically into the final grade, meaning as a grouping, all of them together, a conglomeration, I think, is what I'm thinking. That's why I'm having trouble. So we click on weight final grade, and what we see are these assignment groups. We have assessments, homework, assignment, and then homework and participation, right? So we have 0 at first. We start out with 0, and we have to add those assignment percentages. And what I've done is juxtaposed. I cut and pasted the picture so that you could see. And you might want to have another window open in your internet browser so that you could see your weighting, your grade weighting, and what the assignment is, or how the assignments are graded in each specific, let's say, either specialization or course. So that would be a group of classes or labeling. So we've added the totals here. So here's a screen that shows that I still need to add the percentage for finals, and so this is again where the ease comes in. It'll be easier as we go on in the sessions. This is I believe a newly instigated policy for the grading that we have 10, 20. We know that 30 is missing because we have 10, 20, 40. We're just missing 30 because the weights are 10, 20, 30, 40 as an easy mnemonic. So then we have all of the grades, grading groups, percentages posted, and then don't forget to click save. That's something that I have committed an error. This is a learning process where, to put it colloquially and anecdotally, I have established group grades or assignments, and then I've gone back the next day to look for it, and it's not there. And it's primarily because I didn't scroll down. And in this case, it's going to be the save button will be right in your visual space. But in a lot of cases with Canvas, here's a caveat that there are save buttons. Sometimes you have to scroll all the way down, otherwise the work won't be saved. So unfortunately, you might have to develop an assignment and then or do some function and then not have it saved before you actually learn. So hopefully learn vicariously through me. Save everything. So then we have our totals that are listed or posted with our assignment groupings. And then what the grades look like, here's a blank grade listing where we have the assignments themselves in lighter gray, and then the darker gray would be the assignment groupings. And then here's what basically that would look like at the end of the semester, or end of the session, where you have your individual assignment grades, and then you have those grades feeding into the accumulation, or the accumulated grade. Boy, there's that word 2 minutes later. And then you have the grades themselves. Looks like a good class to take. Actually, there were some students who repeated this class, so I think they learned how to take the class. So we have multiple students, we have many students graduating successfully from Global Launch, heading out into the world, specifically probably first into different disciplines here at Arizona State University. So this is a brief tutorial on how to weight grades.